Hey Algebra 1, Mr. Shacker here, talk to you about solving quadratics an additional way. So this time we're going to talk about the square root method. When appropriate, a quadratic equation can be solved by taking the square root of both sides. Be sure the x squared term is isolated first. That means the x squared term should be on one side of the equal sign with some kind of numbers on the other side. All right? Let's try a problem. Problem number 1, solve by square roots. This problem is x to the second equals 4, so you could take the square root of both sides. All right, take the square root of both sides. So the square root of x squared is equal to x. Okay, and that's the definition of a square root. It basically inverts the exponent there. And so what we're going to have is x to the first power. It kind of cancels each other out. And then the square root of 4 is equal to 2. But not only is it equal to positive 2, x is actually also equal to what we say is plus minus 2. So the roots of the equation, or the solutions, would be that x equals 2 and x equals negative 2. Okay, you have to make sure you use both because 2 times 2 is 4, but negative 2 times negative 2 is also 4. Here's another problem. This one is 3x to the second minus 75 equals 0. And in this problem, we can't yet use the square root method because the x squared is not alone. So the first thing you'd have to do is add 75 to both sides. So this would yield 3x squared equals 75. And then we need to divide by 3. Again, the goal here is to get the x squared term alone on one side, and now it is. Now I can take the square root of both sides. The square root of x to the second power is just x, and the square root of 25 is plus minus 5. So therefore, the solutions would be x equals 5 and x equals negative 5. Those would be the solutions to the parabola or the graph. All right?